Just a quick look at a few of the highlights from from April. It's been quite an interesting month, to say the least, and oil was the standout in April. Just absolutely fantastic. The SPY has found resistance here at this point here, so we're just going to see what happens here. So it's not a short setup at the moment on the SPY. The VIX is not confirmed yet either. The VIX has found support on the 100 MA here on the daily, but it's still got a bit of work to do yet before it starts to look like turning up again. But we'll see what happens, and keeping a close eye on that one. QQQ, as techs have been holding up quite well, and obviously a huge reversal due to the Federal Reserve coming in and with all the stimulus, which is to be expected. So it's completely decoupled. The stock market's completely decoupled from any sort of fundamentals. So you can't look at fundamentals at a time like this, because otherwise you'll just go mad. You've got to just look at the technicals and trade off the charts. There's no other way to go about it at a time like this. And oil has rebounded off the. Oil started to go down back here in the start of 2020, and it just kept on going till it reached zero, and the futures contract was something like minus $40+. Then it rebounded the next day, so it's rebounding again after a small retracement there. It's off that, it come back to that, tested back to this support here, and rallied on again. So that's been really good trading on oil. Excellent, actually. It's been some of the best conditions in oil that I've seen. A lot of people were saying oil can never go to zero. Well, yes, it can. A lot of people, Interactive Brokers was down. Retail clients' accounts were down $80 million+ on oil or something, they said. So there's a lot of people who got caught short trying to bottom pick oil, and then they got caught. And if they had margin calls, I imagine their account would have been blown up. But Facebook, these FANG stocks have been the main driver of this market recovery, regardless of any fundamentals. They've just been on fire. Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Google, they've all been just ripping. So there's no point trying to make any sense of it. You just got to trade it, and that's why my trading method works so well, because you don't have to make any sense of it. You just have to follow the guidelines of my method. Junk bonds are holding up still okay. TLT 20-year plus bonds, they're just starting to turn over a bit, so that means the safe haven demand is going away again a bit. DAX has recovered a bit. It's just pulled back a bit on the 4 hour now, but it's been in a recovery for the whole of April on the daily. So US dollar's come off quite a bit. So just interesting to see what it does longer term here on the US dollar. But gold has been off a bit of a double top here as well. So putting in a bit of a retracement, but it's going to be interesting to see what gold does. Cryptos have been rallying again, Litecoin's been doing alright, and Bitcoin, I won't go into all the cryptos, these are just the main ones, but just to, as an indication of what's been happening. I'm so tired. Oh, excuse me, yawning. Well, that's going to be it for now. I'm done. I've got to get some sleep, but it's been a good month in April, and that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.